3 out of 10 alleged cash and transit robbers are expected to make their second appearance in court today. They were arrested at a house in Rosettenville last February after a dramatic shootout with police. The other accused were arrested in February of 2022 after police foiled a planned heist. They face charges of unlawful possession of firearms, robbery with aggravating circumstances, as well as theft. eNCA's Aviwe Mtila is following developments and joins us now with the very latest. Good morning, Aviwe. Perhaps for the benefit of those who may not have been following last time's proceedings, just take us through the case itself. Where does it start?
Well, it starts last year on the 22nd of February when this shootout happened in Rosettenville. I remember one of the neighbors living right opposite the safe house, of course, saying that it was something out of the wild, wild west. She said that those gunshots rang out between the 25 suspects and the police for at least 10 or so minutes, and at the end of it all, 8 of these suspects were killed by the police. 10 were arrested. I understand 2 were injured at that time, but now it's, of course, it appeared for the first time at the High Court on the 23rd of February, and now it's been remanded, of course, for the 21st of April, but 3 of them are back here as they were told to seek legal aid. In fact, I see Uphindi Mchonondwana from the NPA. Says, Pindi, just a quick one on where we are on the matter. Just a quick one on the last time it appeared and where we are on this case.
Okay, Aviwe, all 10 accused appeared in the High Court on the 24th of February for the first time, and their matter was postponed to today because 3 of them did not have legal representation. So it was for all 3 accused to get legal representation from Legal Aid South Africa. So today the court will hear confirmation from Legal Aid South Africa if they have indeed been appointed as their legal representatives. And then the matter will again be postponed to today is just a provisional date set aside specifically to sort out legal representation issues. And then once that is done, all 10 of them will be back on the 21st of April.
Okay, just what's going to happen on the 21st of April, and how strong is your case against these 10 suspects?
Well, the case will be postponed for pre-trial hearing, just to determine the state of readiness of both parties. And as the state, we are ready to present our case in court. And once we have achieved that, the court will be in a position to pronounce on the strength of the state case.
And the last time, I remember I was there speaking to the police minister on the day of the actual shootout, mentioned that it was, if I remember correctly, 1 Botswanian national, 4 KZN people, and the rest were from Zimbabwe.
Well, what we can confirm as the NPA is that we do have different nationalities within the accused persons that are before court, but I cannot confirm that off the cuff. It is information that I will have to recheck and confirm.